Right, what's going on, everyone? Today is January 6th, 2026, and today I have another trading talk for you guys. This is my second trading day of the month. No, of the new year, sorry. Happy New Year's, everyone. Merry Christmas as well. Um, so yeah, we'll just get straight into it because I kind of have to go soon, but it's okay. Um, So yeah, as I said, today is January 6th. This is my second trading day of the new year. Uh, First being yesterday. Yesterday was a no trade day. Um, I just didn't see anything I liked. So obviously, if you're not gonna see anything you like, why bother take a trade? And then today, I took two losses. I took three trades. Two were losses, and one was a win. And thank God, the way I trade is very nice because the way that I trade, two losses are recouped easily by one win, just like that. So that's why proper risk management is key. And that's why I'm allowing myself to take three trades a day, which is great. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Anyways, starting on the daily, I was bullish coming into the morning because I want these highs. Um, this high up here, this is like a these are just way too smooth. One, two, like a one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, six, seven. I'm joking. Like quintuple high or what's a sextuple high. Like yeah, this high. This is a very great draw for me. I am bullish up to these highs, and obviously this fair value gap as well. Um, and obviously that's kind of close to all-time highs as well. So we can maybe push for that later. Reasoning behind that now is we have our order block right here. This is yeah, it's our bullish order block right here. Yep. So you see how the bodies are respecting the lower half of it? Like we can trade below it, yes, but we can't close. We always close inside of the order block right here. So that's why I wasn't fully bearish, along with the fact that we are currently inside a suspension block. A suspension block is basically the middle kind of floating in midair. So you see a volume imbalance here, of like a volume imbalance here. So you draw it, include both volume imbalances. That's a suspension block right here. And you see how we also respected midpoint of that. We can trade down as much as we want. Yes, we can trade down as much as we want with narrative. We know the market wants to go higher. This is a very clean high. I have a drawn liquidity. I have a reasoning for my drawn liquidity. Um, so yeah, that's why, because most people would see this and I'm like, oh my god, we're closing below midpoint. That's a bearish signature. But we have narrative, and we also know that we have an order block right here. This is the opening price of the order block, which is the most sensitive part of it. Let me just annotate this real quick. Close daily will be opening price. That's the most sensitive part of it. And look how we restricted that very nicely. I'm gonna put this to the right, middle right, or top right. Yeah. Let me save this other template real quick. Okay, will be opening price, and I'm just gonna put higher time frame. No, that's the day. Never mind. Anyways, so because of this, I know most people were bearish. I'm still bullish up to these highs, especially because on the weekly there was something. I think it was like this volume imbalance that people wanted to see respected, which is why they were bearish. But yeah. Anyways, going on to the intraday, I'm gonna delete this. Just remember, there's a suspension block. I'll leave the order block, but just remember there's a no. I'll take off both. But remember, there's a suspension block and an order block, which is why I'm bullish up to these highs. Now, first thing you do always when you go on the charts, where's your midnight open? Midnight opening price right here. Yes. And midnight candle, that's in the midnight candle open right here. Where's your 8:30? 8:30 open right here. Good. Where's my 8:30 open? There we go. Anyways, that's first thing. Second thing, where's my buy side? Or where's my buy side? Where's my sell side? We have buy side up here. This is yesterday's high, previous day's high. Yeah, previous day's high. We have buy side up here. We have buy side right here. That's No, buy side right here. Sorry, this is liquidity reset. We have buy side right here too. Lots of buy side, lots of buy side to targets. But the way I viewed it today, um, the way I trade the ATM model, I saw a sweep right here. This is the first trade. Now I think I lost $322 on both these trades. Um, ouch, my eye. Yeah. So the way I trade my ATM model is we swept out this high right here. This is London high. At 9:30. 9:30 open. Displacement up. Sorry, 9:30 open right here. Displacement up. I saw an inverse value gap right here. So I'm thinking, even though I am bullish, I am expecting lower prices, at least down to right here. Some sort of sell side. Because I want to see some sort of sell side taken before the move higher. So I treated this as an oops, drop my mic. Anyways, I treated this as a inverse fair value gap, and I took shorts right here. I entered for shorts around right here, and my stop loss. My stop loss was at this candle body close right here, because this was an order block right here. And truth be told, I should have put my stop loss higher, but I'm not sure why I did. I just kind of winged it, I guess. I was really confident in the trade, so I was expecting drawdown, but I wasn't expecting this huge like move all the way up to stop me out right here and then start displacing down. So I got stopped on this candle right here. My second entry was a re-entry. I saw this order block here. Um, so yeah, I saw this order block right here, and I'm thinking in my head, okay, we're retracing, we have a fair value gap coupled with the order block. What I'm failing to realize now is that we've already traded below our 8:30 open. So at this point in time right here, I'm gonna mark this. At this point in time right here, we're below 8:30. We're below midnight. We've taken out some sort of sell side yet. We have taken out sell side right here. I should have probably viewed this as a reversal. I should have known that we're not coming down to this low, especially because my re-entry was right here back at the same fair value gap. My stop loss, I learned my lesson, was at the wick, and I saw profit for a bit, and then instant displacement back up. So after this, my narrative, sorry, kind of switched, and I was kind of all over the place. I was looking for shorts because the entire morning, since we're above midnight and 8:30, I'm looking for sells, looking for shorts, looking for shorts, looking for shorts. Now, here's where I noted that we have a daily fair value gap right here. Daily bearish fair value gap right here. It's just silly, not a busy. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Right? I noted that, and I also noted that we're getting close to the time of what I like to call the final hook macro, which is the final, like, in my eyes, the final like move of the morning session. This is also called the London close macro as well. Lots of people call it that. Most people call it that, actually. Usually in the London close macro, usually mark it from 10:45 to 11:15 just because. But final hook macro, yeah. I just kind of like that name. Yeah, I noticed during this time, and this is things I'm noting in real time. We're failing to get up to this fair value gap. Nasdaq doesn't have the strength to get up to this daily fair value gap because you see high, taken out, not displacement. This is a very like weird candle. You see how it's rejecting after we take the highs. Take the high, reject, and then we start trading down, trading down, trading down. The light bulb moment for me was this market structure shift right here. Yeah, this is a candle closure below a short-term low right here. That's my market structure shift. So I noted this fair value gap here, and this is actually where I took my entry. I can show my executions now. I don't have the executions for the other two because I traded them on different accounts. My target was so sad right here. I'm gonna tell you why I closed early in a moment. Right. So 600 shorting 6 contracts here. This fair value at 25,726, which is about right here. Right here exactly. My stop loss goes at this candle high, and my take profit goes at this low right here, which is about 1 to 2.13. Now, my exit, sorry, was kind of flawed. My exit, as you can see, is 25,701, which is all the way right here. Yeah, about right here. And the sell side I was looking for was 685. Now you're wondering, that's like another 20 points. Why did I close early? Well, let's take a look on the S&P. This is that same this is that same daily fair value gap. I was right here. So you see S&P is already higher, way higher than Nasdaq. So I notice my entry 1046, mark out on this right here, 1046. Where's my target? Sell side. My sell side right here. Try through. At this point in time, 1055. ES took the low, NQ didn't take the low. That's a SMT. Now, yes, I could have held, and obviously you can see it did hit my target, but usually when there's SMTs at my drawn liquidity, I tend to close because originally I wanted to target midnight open as a draw, but because SMP was so strong and NQ was kind of like the weaker asset, after seeing that SMT, I'm like, okay, this is probably time to just play it safe. I've had enough to recoup my loss. I made about $500 on this trade. So I'm allowed to I've recouped my losses for the morning. I'm back break even and I'm above I'm like $200 in profit on the day. So that's good. So yeah, that's a trade recap for today. We will be back tomorrow. Trading same time every morning, 9:30, 9:15. Trading the 9:30 to 11:30, which is around the time I got off. Well, no, I got off around 10:55 because trading to me. But yeah. So overall, good trading day, really good trading day. My emotions kind of got away a little bit this morning, but you're only human. Everything you just journal and you learn. So yeah. Anyways, thanks you guys for watching. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.